Ako si Carmel Tordesillas. Dati akong guro. Sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, nagsara yung eskwelahan namin. Kaya ako ay pumasok bilang emergency employee dito sa Quezon City Peso. At ito ang aking kwentong piso. Teacher ako for 6 years. I was handling the whole psychology department at that time. Masaya yung buhay with the students, masaya yung mga programs, and then all of a sudden, we got the news na the school is closing. It was a painful event. I have to downgrade our lifestyle, but it was a good thing. The media came in, schools came in, the government came in. Pandemic time yon. Ang nasa isip namin, baka magbigay ng ayuda. So, I was offered emergency employment. I thought to myself, the government is here. We need help. I need help. Wala akong kilala sa LGU. Wala akong kamag-anak. Wala akong connect. What do I have? I just opened my heart. I opened my mind. I trusted the process. I did what I can. So, tinanggap ko siya, pero ang nasa isip ko na, okay, I'll use this chance para maging para magbukas ng door. I started February, March, and then April, I was diagnosed with my condition sa aking uterus. Tapos noon, tinuloy, pagkabalik ko, tinuloy naman yung EE. By August, COS na ako. Nung pipirmahan ko na yung contract of service, ako ay, masayang-masaya ako kasi ito ay next level na. By September, October, they already asked me na mag-prepare na ng mga documentations ko para nga sa QC-TAC. Perhaps the number one reason why I was chosen, kasi galing ako sa school, managing students, managing classes, mga ganyan, even faculty. Yung mga tao na, lalo na yung mga nangangailangan nating mga kababayan, kapag kailangan nila ng upskilling sa kanilang trabaho, pwede silang magpunta dito. So, ang mga ginagawa dito, tulad ng mga welding, dressmaking, electrical installation, ito yung mga hard skills na very, very valuable. Tapos, ang gusto ko ring bahagi ng aking trabaho ngayon is from the bottom, part of my heart. It's under Mayor Joy Belmonte. She is an award-winning mayor, and it's such an honor and privilege to work under her. At the end of the day, we're all human beings, di ba? We have to put humanity in whatever it is that we're doing, whether it's work, family. So, siguro parang every day of your life, kailangan natin siyang i-value. Yung mga tao sa paligid natin, whether big or small, kailangan pahalagahan natin. Parang redirection lang siya. Be open to experience. Kapag nawalan ka ng trabaho, hindi yun end. Perhaps it's a beginning.